Hey everyone, and welcome back to Maybelline's Makeup Loft. My name is Jazz, and for today's video, I'm going to do a how to accentuate your lips video. I'm going to show you guys what lip liners to use, tips and tricks, what sort of shades to use, what shades of lipsticks make your lips look bigger, and what products you should use to make your lips look bigger. So what I like to do first is run a little bit of foundation over my lips, and I feel like this acts as a base, and you can get a really precise line when you're lining your lips. So I'm just going to go over my lips just with my sponge. Then I'm just going to set up with some of the Maybelline translucent powder. Then what I like to do is highlight my cupid's bow, as this will give it an illusion of a bigger lip. So I'm just taking the Master Blush palette and I'm just taking this shimmery color and just applying that on my cupid's bow. So the key to making your lips look larger is to use a darker lip liner and then using a lighter lipstick or liquid lipstick, whichever you want. So I'm going to use this Maybelline lip pencil in the shade 40 Brazen. It's just like a dark brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and start lining my lips. I do like to overdraw them a little bit. And then usually what I like to do is create a little ombre effect. So I just use the same lip liner and just fill in the outer corners of my lips. So just like this. So now that that's done, I'm going to take the lipstick in the shade 545 Beige Babe, and I'm just going to tap that onto the center, and then just tap it on with my finger, mainly focusing this color on the middle of the lips. And then lastly, I'm just going to take a lip balm, or you can just use a clear lip gloss and just put that over top. So there you have it, guys. That is how I typically like to line and fill in my lips. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Maybelline's Makeup Loft for more videos from me, and I'll see you next time.